Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. And how do you know you're getting a good quality product from SoundTraxx? Well, we test every single one of our decoders. So let's talk about that now. Now in our manufacturing facility here in Durango, Colorado, we build every single one of our decoders. Now we do get components and so forth supplied from around the country. But during the assembly process, we actually test the decoder multiple times to make sure you're getting a good quality working decoder the first time. Now one of the ways we test is we have a machine called the Flying Probe Tester. Now this machine does a quick test of all of the circuits on the circuit board while the decoder is sitting there to make sure that those circuits are working the way they're supposed to, just the way the engineers have designed it. Make sure all the components are done, soldered properly, make sure they're working, and so forth. But the last test is one that's really important, is a hand test. Now our technicians will take a fixture very similar to this one right here, and they will actually put the decoder in place and lock the decoder down. Now these spring-loaded pins will line up to match to the various testing points on the decoder. Now from there, we attach it to this little circuit board which simulates a locomotive. It has a motor, it has all the different lights on there, and a speaker, so that our technicians can test the functionality. Now through this testing process, you will see that it is a hand process just to make sure and verify that each of the functions are working properly, including the lights, the motor, the sound, everything. Just a quick functionality test, just as a final check to make sure everything is good before it's final packaged. Now, if you do find yourself coming to the Durango area, we do invite you to come by and take a tour of our facility. Please call us ahead and let us know what day you'll be coming by. We do offer tours at 4:30 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. So if you're able to come make it, let us know. We're proud of what we do and we're happy to show it off.